Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I want to share my research with title is Development of Design Concepts Driving Factor for Technology Acquisition in Small and Medium Aluminum Industries. Author identity is me, Utami Ningsih Linati from Department of Industrial Engineering, Faculty of Industrial Technology, Universitas Ahmad Dahlan. The second author is Fitria Dinda Kartika from Department of Industrial Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas 11 Maret Surakarta. And the last one is Alifin Imam Setiawan from Department of Industrial Engineering, Faculty of Industrial Technology, Universitas Ahmad Dahlan. The background of our problem is the global demand for aluminum is projected to reach 119.5 million tons in 2030, up from 86.2 million tons in 2020. The aluminum industry empowerment presents Indonesia with a significant opportunity to stimulate the national economy given its potential. The national economy is significantly bolstered by small and medium enterprise, which contribute to GDP growth, employment creation, and the development of social welfare. Lestari et al. 2024. One of the initiatives of the Yogyakarta city government to improve the competitiveness and industrial design of small and medium enterprise, particularly in aluminum small and medium industry or IKM sector, is the Technical Implementation Unit for Metal. We call it UPT Logam. In Yogyakarta, small and medium-sized enterprises that specialize in aluminum production continue to implement a conventional and straightforward technology. Aluminum small and medium-sized enterprise must continuously adapt to the changing demands and preferences of customers by incorporating new technology to enhance efficiency. Mortara 2012 explores that the factor that motivate small and medium-sized enterprise to adapt or acquire technology are closely linked to the factor that drive this adoption or acquisition. One of the factors contributing to the low average production capacity of aluminum small and medium enterprise is the low level of new technology acquisition. Method in this study, the instrument used is a questionnaire. The data used are typically ordinal or ranked. The research approach applied is descriptive quantitative research. We can know the population in study consists of 41 aluminum small and medium enterprise in Yogyakarta. The sampling technique used is purposive sampling and quota sampling. Purposive sampling involves selective sample based on criteria determined by the research. Quota sampling involves setting a specific number of samples. The sample in this study includes aluminum small and medium actors consisting of owners, managers, or expert employees, resulting in a total 10 respondents from the 5 large of aluminum small and medium enterprise. Validity and reliability tests were used to assess the research instrument. The validity test used the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient. A questionnaire is considered reliable if respondent answer remain consistent over time. The research method employed is Spearman rank correlation test, which aim to identify relationship between variables. The interpretation of Spearman rank correlation test result follow 3 stages, such as measuring the significance, measuring the strength, and assessing the direction of relationship between variables. Data collection was conducted using research instruments, including observation, interview, and questionnaire, which were used for statistical analysis to test hypotheses. The model development framework in this study is illustrated. The independent variable is organizational motivation, partner involvement, desired technology, and technology acquisition scenario. And the dependent variable is intention to acquire technology. There was 4 hypotheses in this research. The hypothesis 1, there is no significant relationship between organizational motivation and the intention to acquire technology in aluminum small medium enterprise in Yogyakarta. The hypothesis 2 is there is no significant relationship between partner involvement and the intention to acquire technology in aluminum small and medium enterprise in Yogyakarta. The third hypothesis is there is no significant relationship between desired technology and the intention to acquire technology in aluminum small and medium enterprise in Yogyakarta. And the last one, the fourth hypothesis is there is no significant relationship between technology acquisition scenario and the intention to acquire technology in aluminum small and medium enterprise in Yogyakarta. The result is can show in the screen. It can be concluded that the questionnaire is valid and variable for the variable organizational motivation, partner involvement, desired technology, technology acquisition scenario, intention to acquire technology with the R person point versus R table point. And the right side is the next process is the Spearman rank correlation test on each variable. We can know about the result, the hypothesis 1, therefore it can be concluded that hypothesis 0 is rejected and hypothesis A is accepted. How to hypothesis 2? It can be concluded that hypothesis 0 is rejected and hypothesis A is accepted. And hypothesis 3, therefore, it can be concluded that hypothesis 0 is rejected and hypothesis A is accepted. And the last one, hypothesis 4, therefore, it can be concluded that hypothesis 0 is rejected and hypothesis A is accepted. Based on the result above regarding organizational motivation, involved partners, desired technology, and technology acquisition scenarios, the intention for technology acquisition has an unidirectional and positive relationship. This means there is a very strong and significant relationship and unidirectional relationship between organizational motivation, partner involvement, and then desired technology and technology acquisition scenario to the intention acquired technology. The variable that has the strongest relationship with the intention to acquire technology is organizational motivation variable with a correlation coefficient value of 0.844. The conclusion for this research is based on the result above regarding organizational motivation, involved partners, desired technology, and technology acquisition scenario, the intention for technology acquisition has a unidirectional and positive relationship. This means that aluminum small and medium enterprise actors must pay more attention to or enhance these 4 factors so that the intention for technology acquisition increase. Because the 4 factors which include organizational motivation, involved partner, desired technology, and technology acquisition scenario are interrelated or correlate with the intention for technology acquisition. Okay, this is my research. Can I share for all of you? Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.